Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar, along with Tim Stanovic, and let's get to some of the stocks on the move. Today, we're joined by Bloomberg News earnings specialist Rachel Pua. She joins us in studio. You got to talk about AMD. Definitely a mover today.
Investors are still watching it, and after it said that expects annual revenue growth to be more than 35% on average over the next 3 to 5 years. I think this will be expectations. And, the company has also said that this will be driven by its data center products. I think investors were afraid that there was an AI bubble, that the huge spending on AI computer systems cannot be sustained, especially when AMD's customer OpenAI. But AMD CEO Lisa Su has kind of laid fears by saying that she is confident growth will hold up.
Okay, so that's AMD on the day, moving in the after hours right now. Also moving, thanks to a earnings report that I think has investors, at least our own Woo Jin Ho, pretty happy and bullish. Cisco. Yeah, ticker CSCO, another AI play. It raised its forecast for 2026, and this also beat Wall Street's expectations. It's one of those legacy tech companies that's been trying to benefit from the whole AI boom, and right now it's been trying to upgrade its chips and gear so that it can handle complicated AI tasks. I think the results kind of show that analysts are bullish on the company, and they say that the AI demand and these new products would boost Cisco's growth while their networking market matures.
Yeah, I mean, it's really interesting. We've seen this stock, Cisco, definitely bounce back this year. A lot of expectations, a lot of different moves, and it's not too far from its all-time high that we saw back, before the dot-com boom bust, if you will, or during the dot-com boom and then bust. And so we'll see whether we get there. But right now that stock is up 7% in the aftermarket.
I was seeing what shoes you were wearing. They're not. Did you wear your Ons today?
I wore them in.
Oh, I'm wearing
it's
my
so funny
Ons.
that you say that. I'm looking and somebody was like, those are really, a woman was staring at them and she's like, what are you doing? And she's like, I really like your shoes. I'm like, oh,
in
cool.
the office or out on the street?
In the subway. It was really funny.
Subway interactions.
No, Subway, don't you ever do that? Every once in a while, I take a picture of somebody's because there's some crazy shoes on the subway. But anyway, I'm looking at my Ons and I'm like, I've had them for a few years now. And I'm like, I'm going to probably have to replace them soon.
Why are we talking about On Holding?
Because the stock was on the move today.
Oh, okay.
So I know On Holding's ticker On. This is the Swiss sneaker brand that's been backed by Roger Federer. I think by you guys, and it's also pretty well known among runners. The company, raised its sales and profit forecast after a strong third quarter, especially in Europe and Asia. We saw sales in Asia more than double in the quarter. The company already sells one of the most expensive running shoes in the industry, but its CEO told Bloomberg that even though it raised its prices in the US, people are still buying its shoes. And I think this just kind of shows that people with money are still spending.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.